Virsa Singh vs. State of Punjab. A detailed analysis. Importance of the case. In this case, the Supreme Court has provided a detailed explanation about the interpretation of sections 300 and 302 of the Indian Penal Code. The Apex Court provided a framework to the prosecution for acquiring a conviction in such cases. This framework has provided a precedent in dealing with cases under Section 300 and Section 302 of the Indian Penal Code. Incident. The incident took place on 13 July 1955, around 8 p.m., leading to Singh's death the next day. Singh had a single injury caused by a spear thrust from Virsa Singh, resulting in a punctured wound in the abdomen. The trial court. Virsa Singh was convicted by the trial court under Section 302 for murder under the Indian Penal Code. The 5 other accused were convicted under Sections 323, 324, 326 read along with Section 149 for causing grievous hurt under the Indian Penal Code. The High Court upheld the conviction of Virsa Singh for murder. However, the 5 other accused were acquitted. The main accused Virsa Singh appealed to the Supreme Court. The defense claimed that the prosecution had failed to prove that the accused had any intention to inflict an injury sufficient to cause death under Section 300 Clause 3 of the Indian Penal Code. The Supreme Court held that the prosecution must prove that, firstly, a bodily injury exists. Secondly, the injury found to be present is sufficient to cause death in the ordinary course of nature. Thirdly, the injury present was the injury that was intended to be inflicted and was not accidental or unintentional. Fourthly, whether the injury was sufficient to cause death in the ordinary course of nature is a matter of inference or deduction from the proved facts and has nothing to do with the question of intention to cause death. The Supreme Court further held that if these elements are proven, the offence qualifies as murder under Section 300 Clause 3 of the Indian Penal Code, regardless of the intention to kill. Conclusion. The injury inflicted by Virsa Singh met the criteria under Section 300 Clause 3 of the Indian Penal Code, making him guilty of murder. The Supreme Court dismissed the appeal and upheld the conviction.